नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण थर्ड चॅप्टर सर्कलमधील एक महत्त्वाचा टॉपिक पाहणार आहोत, इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल. Inscribed angle, angle PQR. The vertex of the angle PQR, that is Q, lies on the given circle and the arms of the angle PQR are ray QP and ray QR. On this each side of the angles, there is one point of the circle on each side of this angle. Therefore, angle PQR is called as an inscribed angle. Now here, intersected arc. Now here, angle ABC is given. This angle ABC is an inscribed angle because vertex B is on the circle and point A and C of the circle lies on each side of this angle ABC. Now this angle ABC intersected arc AC because the part of this circle lies in the interior of this angle ABC. Therefore, arc AC is an intersected arc. Now here, angle ABC, B is vertex on the circle, given circle, and ray BA, ray BC are the sides of the angle ABC. But this is not an inscribed angle because only point C lies on this one side of the angle. There is no other point except B lies on this side BA. Therefore, this angle ABC is not an inscribed angle. But this part of the circle, that is arc BXC, lies in the interior of angle ABC. Therefore, arc BXC is intersected arc by angle ABC. Now here, vertex B lies in the interior of the circle. Angle ABC intersected arc AC, this part of the circle, because this part of the circle lies in the interior of angle ABC. Now, in these three figures, only one arc is intersected by the given angle. Now, consider these three figures. Now, here vertex B lies in the exterior of the circle and there are two parts of the circle, that is this one part and the arc AC. These two parts are intersected by angle ABC because these two parts lies in the interior of angle ABC. Suppose this part is DE. Therefore, arc DE and arc AC are intersected by angle ABC. Now this figure, angle ABC, vertex B is in the exterior of the circle. Now this part of the circle, that is, suppose this is CD, arc CD and arc CXA. These two arcs are intersected by angle ABC because these arcs lies in the interior of angle ABC. Now consider here, B is the vertex in the exterior of the circle and the whole circle is intersected by angle ABC because arc AC and arc AXC, both these part of the circles are lie in the interior. Therefore, both these arcs are intersected by angle ABC. But these two parts form a full circle, complete circle. Therefore, angle ABC is intersected the whole circle. Now, the important theorem is inscribed angle theorem. Here, O is the center of the circle. Angle BAC is an inscribed angle and it intercepts arc BDC. What is the theorem says? That the measure of angle BAC is equal to half measure arc BDC. This is the inscribed angle theorem. Now, what is the given? O is the center of the circle, and angle BAC is an inscribed angle. Intercepted arc BDC. Intercepted arc BDC. Now what we have to prove? That the measure angle BAC is equal to half measure arc BDC. Measure arc BDC. Now to prove this, we have to draw a construction. Draw ray AO. Now this ray AO intersecting the circle at point E and draw say OC. Now to write here construction. Draw ray AO intersecting the circle at point E and also draw say OC. Now proof. In triangle OAC, sec OA congruent sec OC, radii of the same circle. Therefore, the angles opposite to these congruent sides, that is angle OAC congruent angle OCA, let their measures be x degree. Then here 1 in triangle OAC, sec OA congruent sec OC, radii of the same circle. Therefore, angle OCA congruent angle OAC, the angles opposite to the congruent sides, or isosceles triangle theorem. Angles opposite to the congruent sides. Let their measures be x degree, that is angle OCA is equal to angle OAC is equal to x degree. Now second, here angle EOC, this angle EOC is an exterior angle of triangle OAC, and we know that the measure of the exterior angle is equal to sum of the remote interior angles. Therefore, angle EOC is an exterior angle of triangle OAC. Therefore, angle EOC is equal to angle OAC plus angle OCA by remote interior angle theorem. Remote interior angle theorem, which we studied in 9th standard, is equal to, these measures are equal to x degree plus x degree, that is angle EOC is equal to 2x degree. This angle EOC is equal to 2x degree. But angle EOC is a central angle and arc CE related to it. Therefore, measure angle EOC is equal to measure arc CE by the definition of the measure of an arc. But angle EOC is a central angle. Therefore, measure arc angle EOC is equal to measure arc AC by definition of measure of an arc. Therefore, measure arc AC is equal to 2x degree because angle EOC is equal to 2x degree. Therefore, measure arc EC is also equal to 2x degree. Measure arc EC is equal to 2x degree. Now here x degree, that is angle OAC is equal to x degree. That is angle EAC is equal to x degree. But angle OAC is equal to angle EAC. Angle OAC is equal to angle EAC, which is equal to x degree. And measure arc EC is equal to 2x degree. Therefore, measure angle EAC is equal to half into 2x degree. That is measure arc EC. Fourth, similarly, for this side, that is angle BAE, draw sec OB and we can prove that measure angle BAE is equal to half measure arc BE. Similarly, we can prove that measure angle BAE is equal to half measure arc BE. Now this, adding these 3 and 4, that is, suppose this is 1 and this is 2, then adding 1 and 2 we get, adding 1 and 2 we get angle EAC plus angle BAE, that is adding left hand side is equal to adding right hand side, is equal to half measure arc EC plus half measure arc BE, measure arc is equal to half common measure arc EC plus measure arc BE. Now EC plus BE is equal to AC plus BE. By arc addition property we get measure arc BEC, that is measure arc BDC, same arc, half measure arc BDC, that is angle EAC plus measure angle BAE is equal to measure angle BAC by angle addition property. This is equal to angle BAC. That we have to prove that the measure of this inscribed angle is equal to half of the measure of arc intercepted by 8. हा एक पार्ट आपण प्रूव्ह केला. आता ह्याच्यामध्ये अँगल BACच्या इंटिरियर पार्टमध्ये सेंटर O आहे आणि आपण त्या कंडिशननुसार मेजर अँगल BAC इज इक्वल टू हाफ मेजर आर्क BDC प्रूव्ह केला. त्याचबरोबर हे प्रूव्ह करताना आपण हाफ पार्ट हा आधी प्रूव्ह केला, दॅट इज मेजर अँगल EAC इज इक्वल टू हाफ मेजर आर्क EC. हा आधी आपण प्रूव्ह केला. पण ह्या अँगल EACच्या एका साईडवर O हा सेंटर आहे, म्हणजेच अँगलच्या एका आर्मवरती सेंटर आहे, ही कंडिशन मिळाली. त्याचबरोबर अँगलच्या इंटिरियर पार्टमध्ये O असेल तर दोन्ही वेळेस आपल्याला इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगलचं मेजर हे त्याने इंटरसेप्ट केलेल्या आर्कच्या हाफ असतं, हे आपल्याला मिळालं. थर्ड कंडिशन कोणती आहे तर सेंटर O हा अँगलच्या एक्सटेरियर पार्टमध्ये असेल तर आपल्याला कसं प्रूव्ह लिहायचं आहे. इथे सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल O हा अँगल CABच्या एक्सटिरियर पार्टमध्ये आहे, बाहेरच्या अंगाचा आहे. अशा वेळेस हा थिअरम कसा प्रूव्ह करता येईल, म्हणजेच मेजर अँगल BAC इज इक्वल टू हाफ मेजर आर्क BC दाखवायचं आहे. त्यासाठी कन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे ड्रॉ रे AO which intersecting this circle at point suppose E. Then consider angle BAE. BAE हा अँगल घ्यायचा आहे. अँगल BAE is equal to half measure arc EB. कारण इथे सेंटर O जो आहे तो अँगल BAEच्या एका साईडवर आहे आणि एका साईडवर असताना आपण आधी प्रूव्ह केलेलं आहे की एका साईडवर सेंटर असेल तर त्या अँगलचं मेजर हे त्याने इंटरसेक्ट केलेल्या आर्कच्या हाफ असतं. हे आधी प्रूव्ह केलेलं आहे बाय अबव. त्याचप्रमाणे अँगल CAE घ्यायचा आहे आपल्याला. दुसरा अँगल कोणता घ्यायचा आहे? अँगल CAE. अँगल CAE is equal to half measure arc EC. हाफ मेजर आर्क EC. हे पण त्याचप्रमाणे, कारण CAEच्या एक साईड जी आहे रे AE त्याच्यावर सेंटर O आहे सर्कलचा, आणि आधी प्रूव्ह केल्याप्रमाणे सेंटर जर एका साईडवर असेल अँगलच्या तर त्या इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगलचं मेजर हे त्याने इंटरसेक्ट केलेल्या आर्कच्या हाफ असतं. त्यामुळे हे पण त्याचप्रमाणे आलं. आपण जर दोघांची सबट्रॅक्शन केलं, अँगल BAE मधून अँगल BAE मधून जर अँगल EAC मायनस केला तर आपल्याला कोणता अँगल मिळेल? अँगल BAC मिळेल. हा सबट्रॅक्शन केलं तर आपल्याला अँगल BAC मिळेल, विच इज इक्वल टू हाफ मेजर आर्क EB मायनस हाफ मेजर आर्क EC. हाफ कॉमन काढूया आपण आणि मग ब्रॅकेटमध्ये काय मिळेल? मेजर आर्क EB मायनस मेजर आर्क EC. EB मधून EC मायनस केला तर कोणता आर्क मिळेल? BC मिळेल बाय सबट्रॅक्शन ऑफ दिस आर्क्स. हाफ इंटू मेजर आर्क BC. आणि हेच आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं. द मेजर ऑफ इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल BAC इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ द मेजर आर्क इंटरसेप्टेड बाय इट. हा थिअरम इथे प्रूव्ह झाला. पुढच्या करोलरीज आपण नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत. धन्यवाद.